Here are 4 things that you need in your backpack that will make your life much easier. And the last one's my favorite. Starting off with a phone holder which also has a hook over here. You can easily carry your phone or up to 2 phones if you want. And it has another pouch where you can keep a bunch of cards. This is super good because it gives you very quick access to your phone, just clips on very easily, and it's super secure. This is also made out of a fabric called nylon oxford, which is a lightweight, flexible yet strong fabric. This protects your phone from bumps and scratches because it also has a microfiber cloth and an inner lining of the covering, and it looks super stylish. Now the second thing. For that, you need to open the backpack. Okay, so the second thing is, it's this 8-in-1 phone cleaner that I got on Amazon. Super cheap, and you actually have 8 different things which help you in cleaning your devices. One is a brush which you can use for cleaning your keyboard and your laptop and all that stuff. Second, this part which helps you in cleaning your earphones really easily. Another one which is again meant for your earphones. All of them are microfiber cloths which can easily be used to clean your devices. And the last and the final one which I really like is this. There is a screen cleaner which you can use, and it has a microfiber cloth over here which is also attached through Velcro, which can easily be thrown into your washing machine and put for wash. So over here I also have my phone which is actually quite dirty, so just have that and easily just clean off the back. And that's super fast and super clean. It really helps a lot. Okay, now on to the third thing that we have is this little thing. Okay, so this is really cool. This is a universal connector which comes with a Type-C cable, Type-C to Type-C, and it also comes with multiple other connectors which are like your Lightning and your micro USB, your Type-C which is already there, and your normal USB. And it also comes with a SIM ejector tool, and all of this goes very simply into this small package, and you can use almost anywhere and helps you out every single time. Now on to the last and final thing which I feel makes one of the biggest difference and which really helped me out in times when I travel and all that stuff. Now you must be thinking what this is. Yeah, so this is a trolley. A compact trolley, and this can be used to carry any of your heavy bags that you have. Let's see. Yeah. How cool is this? And this goes down. These both just retract outside, and there you go, you have a trolley. And now any of the times when I'm really, when my bag's filled up and I'm not in the mood to carry it, or any of the other scenarios where I have anything heavy that I carry off or I buy, super simple. Just put this up on this, and you fix up the wheels that comes sideways like this, and there you go. Yeah. And the best thing is, this is literally as big as an olden days cassette. It is so damn portable, so damn tiny. You won't even know there's something like this that's there in your backpack. And it's super easy to put it back together. You just pull and you put it. That's it. It literally takes seconds to just open it and close it off. That's it. And you're done and dusted and you're good to go. So this has really been a lifesaver in terms of carrying anything that I want when I end up buying something extra and I'm really heavy and it's really painful to carry around. These are the 4 things which really made my life super easy, and I really think you guys should consider buying some accessories like this that will make your life much easier in your backpack. So I'm off to my next adventure with all of these things. See you guys soon. Bye.